Hello everyone, let's learn how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Switching your Instagram account from a business or creator profile back to a personal account is a straightforward process that anyone can follow, whether you're an entrepreneur, influencer, or simply want to reclaim the simplicity of a personal account. This video has got you covered. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and you need to click on First Option Settings and Privacy. Next on this menu, you need to go on Creator Tools and Controls. Then go on Switch Account Type field. Now switch on account type you won't, and go to switch to a personal account. Now this says when you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all your content, including your ads, will be permanently removed. Then click on it, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.